Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm here to do my 100 Leetcode challenge. Today we have Leetcode 1004, max consecutive 1, 3. So given an array A of zeros and ones, we may change up to k values from 0 to 1 and return the length of the longest contiguous subarray that contained only ones after changing, right? So the example in here, we can only change 0 to 1. And in this case, we can change this to this, become 1. And then we have a whole entire subarray, 6 number, become all ones, like this example here. So the length of the subarray is 6. So that's the longest subarray. And in here, it's kind of complicated in here. You can see here the 2 hole. You fill this, so we only have 1 more bullet. Shoot it right here, and then we have this whole entire subarray connected. So the total length of that one is 10. So today we can use a sliding window solution for this questions. It's really classic and it's always good to know. We will have a left pointer and right pointer pointing to the beginning of this array, and then we keep moving. If this is 1, and then right, we move to next one, and left, we will keep it right there. Then move is still 1, right? Now we have 3 in here. The right pointer will keep moving. Now we see is 0, and then if it's 0, and we will deduct k by 1. So k is 1 right now. And now we move, so k is 0, deducted by 1. So now k is 0, left is still here, right is here. Then we keep moving to here. So now that's a different case. So while k is no longer available, and then we will check if this one, we move left pointer. We move pointer forward and check if this is 0 and we can gain 1k back. If this is 1, no. So now in here, and what it means is k currently become -1. So it will need 1k to fulfill this length. What it means in here, because we started from left here to right here, that's currently the maximum right now. Since we found 5, we won't go lower than 5. So we can move this one to here for checking the next 5 if it's valid or not. Or if they're valid and have much more length, then we can consider that one. So now in this case, this 5, now they're moving 5 for every windows. And for this 5, we need 1. No, it's no good. And then if you get one of this, and then we'll move forward. If this is 1, and it's nothing, so the k is still less than 1, less than 0, then we need to move this, move the left pointer forward, right? But k is still -1, and just keep moving until we see this one. That's one of the solution for that one. That's the idea. And we'll code that first, code that out first, and I will give you another example. So we have left equal to left pointer, also have right pointer is equal to 0. They pointed right there, and we need to check while loop since right less than a dot length, right? Okay. So now if you check a right is equal to 0, then k will be k minus 1. So k will be deducted by 1. So now it check k is less than 1, less than 0 or not. So if k is less than 0, we have to move the left. By moving left 1, a left, we need to check if a left is equal to 0. That means k is plus plus. If we move that pointer to forward, to take out 1, 0, then k should be equal to k plus 1 because you gain 1 k back. And left will move 1 step forward. After that, right will move 1 step forward too, to keep track of that windows and moving forward. At the end, we'll just return the gap, which is the window, the maximum window for this solution. Yeah, this is a solution, but we won't end it right here. I will try to run through one of the example. Zero, zero, zero. Now we see we have this array and the k equal to 0. So we don't have any chance to change 0 to 1. Let's see how's the gap, how's the maximum consecutive ones here. So we have, let's draw this up. We have left right here and right is right here, pointing to here. Now left is 1. Right is 1 right now, and then we move forward. Right is not 0. K is not 0. Less than 0. Then we don't do anything, but only this one. The right equal to right plus 1. Move 1 step, and then keep moving until here. So now right is equal to 0. K become minus 1 right now. Now left is still here. Now left still in the beginning. So what that does, after k minus, right? And then k will be less than 0. Then we check. We need to move this one because this is only 3 window of 3. We need to move that one. If left is 1, then left is not equal to 0. So k won't be incremented by 1. If that's the case, we move the window right here, and k is still negative 1. And then we move 1 step for the right, it's still 0. And we keep minus 1. So it's minus 2 for k. And left will move 1 step. We keep track of the frame for 3. And then because of that, we won't add any k and just keep moving forward. Right will move 1 step, left will move 1 step, because now k is negative 3. So we keep minus 3 right here because we keep losing chance because we don't have any 1. We keep moving the frame to the end of the array, then they will keep track of that bracket, which is the window. At the end, we output the maximum consecutive one. So that's it for this question. Hopefully it's clear enough If you still have question, please comment below, and I hope you get something from this video. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video. Bye.